This is my engraving cutters. They come with this pack of 10 pieces, so they call them also V-bit. But before using this, it's good to select some good one which will make best result, because not all of them suitable for this engraving job. Not all of them precise enough. So let me show how I do it. Here is my model. I have 10 tool changes, and each tool will have text, wave line and straight line. Each tool operation I separated with the forcing of manual tool change. Machining finished, and here we have all tools numbered according to machining cycles. I have 2 bits missing, but this is just because I used them already. So what we have here, the second one is very bad, I can tell directly. The number 3 looks okay, number 4 seems also okay. 5, 6, 7 and 10 maybe. Okay, let's deburr this and then we should see this better. After the burr, it looks much better. And number 4 is definitely best from this page. Number 4, number 5, number 7, I think can use. It may be a good idea to check it under a microscope. Yeah, here is number 1, number 4. You see how different number 4 from others is really best. Number 5 is fine. Yes, number 7. Ten is also kind of okay. As conclusion, I want to say this method I show you today is not perfect. Keeping in mind manual cycles of tool changes and imperfection of equipment. I know there will be a lot of comments on that, but at least I can have some idea which tool I can use first, or without, or just minimizing the risk of failure. So please be free to comment on this, and thank you very much for being with me today. See you next time.